Welcome student. I am Amitabh Ghosh from Great Mission Public School and I am your computer science teacher. In today's session, I am going to show you how to log into NIIT NGuru website through your login name and password, and how to give your online assessment paper from school assessment section. So all these steps I am going to show you today. Please watch carefully. This video is very important for you because I have seen most of the students are reporting that we are having hard time to log into NIT website. It's a very easy step. Please watch it carefully. I'm going to show you each and every step over here. So on the screen of your mobile or smartphone, you can use any of the browser to log into NIT NGuru website. Well, NIT NGuru says that you will use Google Chrome. It is easy because it is configured with JavaScript, inbuilt JavaScript. So they are recommending Google Chrome browser to log into their website. So click on Google Chrome. Once it is open, on the address bar or search box, please type NIIT NGuru. If you're not sure about the name or the portal of the website, just type NIIT NGuru and click on search. Now once you click on search, the first portal that you see on the screen says https://niitnguru.com. So please click on it. Now on this login page, you have to enter your login ID. So watch this step very carefully. This is a very crucial step. I have already given you login IDs and password to your class group. So for you, I have created a demo ID so that you would be able to understand how to use login ID and password properly to log into NIIT NGuru website. So student, remember that your login ID may start with a capital letter. Let me tell you, it doesn't matter whether your login ID is with capital letter or small letter, but your password is case sensitive. That means whatever character, be it small or in capital letter, you have to use the same password provided to you to log into NIIT NGuru portal. So my demo login ID is AMITABHG 77368 ILP. So this is the format that NIIT NGuru has generated from the server, and they are giving in this format where your first portion is your first name, then the initial of your surname. Like Amitabh Ghosh is my name, so Amitabh is the first part of the login name. Then G stands for Ghosh, which is my surname. Then numbers are there, but remember that 368 is common in every login ID. So, and ILP stands for Introductory Learning Program. So this is the format given to you when I shared your login IDs in your class group. And the password is welcome 123. Now as I said, it is capital letter W when you first type as password. So first letter is capital W. Change the letter case to capital, then all the letters would be in small letter E L C O M E 1 2 3. Now in order to check whether you have entered the correct password, if you see on the screen there is one eye icon. Please click on it and it will reveal your password. So welcome 123 that I typed, it is correct on the password box. So once you are sure with your login ID and password, click on sign in. It will take a while to load the page. So there it is. Once it authenticates your login name and password, you would be on the right screen of NIT Nguru portal. If you scroll down over here, you have to click on school assessment. If school is conducting your PA test, then you have to click on school assessment, or else if NIT is conducting an assessment exam, online exam for you, then you have to click on NIT Nguru assessment. So I will go for school assessment because in coming days your PA test would be in school assessment. So click on it. Now if the paper is assigned to you, this is the section where you will find your name of the assessment, then the subject, then assigned by, that means your subject teacher name, then the date of assign, then start time with date and time remaining. If it is on the same day, then it will be showing as 0 day. If it is not, then it will show the duration of the day. So I have 1 day of time to give my test. Status is pending because I have not given any test. I have not attempted this demo test. And action shows take a test. It is highlighted. So you have to verify the time of the test. If it is later time, that means if it is after the current time, then this take a test is deactive. It won't allow you to give the test. So make sure when you attempt the test, you attempt the test on the same day and same time. So click on it. Once it clicks, you will find the front screen of your examination paper, which carries maximum marks, number of questions and the duration of your examination. Apart from that, there are several instructions given over here. So before you start this test, please go through each and every point showing under instructions. Once you are sure, you can click on start button. The moment you click on start button, your timer starts. That means it will count in seconds, and the duration of the time which is assigned over here, once it is over, you won't be allowed to complete the test, or you won't have a chance to retake that test. So please make sure you go through all the instruction carefully. Once you are okay, click on start button. Now on this screen you will find we are on first question. Progress is showing 0%. Now because it is an objective type question, you'll find your first question with 4 multiple choice. So go through the question. Once you are sure about the answer, you click on the right option. So as of now, it's a demo test, so I'm not going to check each and every part of it. Just to show you the steps, the right steps to go to the next question. So click on the right question that you know. If you are not sure, now below that you will find the first button which says mark for review. That means once your paper is over, you will have a chance to review the questions. So once you review the question, once you attempt the answer, your progress bar will show above. So go to the next question and it will display the second question. So go through the second question clearly. Once you're sure with the second question, click the correct answer that you see over here. Now go to the next button. This is how you have to complete. See, I'm doing it blindly. That doesn't mean that you too have to do the same. You have to go through the question properly, understand the question and choose the correct answer. So I'm showing you to complete the demo part of this session. So as you can see, I'm in 20th question and I select an answer for this question. Now if you scroll down, I have selected 2 questions to review the questions that I have a doubt. So in order to review those questions, you click on the orange box of the question, that is question number 1 and question number 18. I set it for review. So click on it to review that question. So I found that this question might be the correct one. So once you are sure, go to the next reviewed question, which is question number 18. So once you are done, once you are sure the question is reviewed, click on end assessment. You've already seen that one. Let me check. Let me end assessment. Now all the questions I have attempted is showing in green. Now click on submit button to submit your online test. It will again give you warning message asking that are you sure you want to submit the assessment. If you are sure, you click on yes to close your online test. If you are not sure, you click on cancel and you go through the questions that you have attempted so far. So click on yes. Now once you complete your assessment at the right moment, you will get a summary of your school assessment as a score, where it will show your name, your class, the date of the test, the maximum marks has been allotted to the PA test, total number of questions that you have attempted, and total number of questions that are available in your PA test, and total number of correct answer that you gave will also reflect here. So as because all the questions are of 1 marks, so it is showing 16 marks. So my 4 answer was wrong. So this is how you have to complete the test. Once it is done, please go to the previous screen, click on home. So it will bring up the same page which I left it over. So on right corner, top right corner, again click on 3 button and click on the circle which is your profile. It will show your profile with name and your class, and click on log out. Once you log out, it will log out from your portal. Please do not forget to log out from NIET portal, or else you will get a warning message that you have already been logged in, and it won't allow you to re-log into the NIET portal. So once you end every session from this website, you have to log out in a formal process. Click on this one to close this NIET portal page and click on cross. Now go back and close this Google Chrome window. So this is how you have to complete the test on that tentative date that is assigned to you. It is a very easy process that I showed you. I think you won't find difficult again to log into the NIET website. Thank you so much. If you have any difficulty, please get back to me. Bye-bye.